I've enjoyed the relationship I've had with Main Street over the years. I'm very pleased to have the honor of being the first depositor. A reasonably substantial investor. I took the profits I made from other banks and invested in Main Street. And I don't regret a minute of it. I had the opportunity to make a profit early on, 40% I think. Could have made in about 2 years, but I chose to wait it out. And I'm glad I did.
When I invested with you guys, I remember I actually saw the ad in the paper and I said, you know what, let me call these people. And I think you answered the phone. And we met and we talked about it, had lunch, and I like what you said. I read the prospectus and it's history now. You know, I like the bank for the simple reason, not because I'm really just a shareholder. I like the personal touch. I'm one of those guys who believe I'm not a number. If I need to talk to Jeff, I can call Jeff. I need to talk to Mike, I call Mike. You know what I mean? Mariana, it's wonderful.
When a bank is moving forward into the next millennium with services, you know, it also moves my company forward. You know, any services the bank adds are services that I can add to my customers. It makes me look good. It continues to make me look good. It increases my services to my clients, and I look forward to that for the next several years with Main Street Bank. I want them to become a leader in the community banking industry.
The personalities are different things we do. Like when you do the annual grand opening or whatever we do, we get all these people in there for a hot dog and stuff. But people need that. I believe that's a great customer service, project to me. I mean, that's a great thing.
The logic behind the bank was to create a friendly, personalized, and receptive of each person's needs. That really appeals to me.
We want to see long-term relationships with our customers. There's a lot going on behind the scenes and a lot of decisions and strategies being put into place, strategies that are learned from past performance that will all come out for the long term, that are very constructive to moving us forward.
I think we're very well positioned. I think that we've come through the tough times. We still look like we're going to make the playoffs this year.
I think community banks will only get stronger. I think they will become the prime movers of local markets because they're the only financial institutions in America that are symbiotic with the markets they serve. In other words, they're in touch. They don't have branches in the local community, they have roots in the local community.
If the bank is not the biggest, so what? Being the biggest, does it get you a special reward? No, it's just a feather in your cap. Being the best, that's a different story. And I can say that the Main Street Bank might not be the biggest, but it's the best.
I am tickled to death that the bank has done so well. And I think the bank has done well because the management has exhibited all the traits that I talked about earlier. They have met their challenges, they've been forward-thinking, they've served their market, they've been a financial source of strength to entrepreneurs, small business people, citizens, and guess what? The areas served by Main Street Bank have thrived, and they will continue to thrive as long as there's Main Street Bank and other local banks around this country. Our nation will thrive.
I understand stick-to-itness, I understand commitment, I understand friendship, I understand making it through the storm, and I also understand winning. I think at the end of the day, I want to win, we want to win just like anyone else. And I'm excited about what the future holds for us because we have built on those baselines, we built on those type of the premise of sticking together, the premise of sound business practices. And you know what? I think the spring is coming. I think for our bank, the future is really bright.